Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Cake in her face.
Happy birthday, dear Mayani. Happy birthday to you. Put it in your mouth, Mayani. Ayom yom uledet, ayom yom uledet, ayom yom uledet lemayan. Ayom yom uledet, ayom yom uledet, ayom yom uledet lemayan. Chag lasameach v'zeh lapareach, ayom yom uledet lemayan. Chag lasameach v'zeh lapareach, ayom yom uledet lemayan.
Stick it in your nose.
Happy birthday, Mayan. Happy. Who wants to say happy birthday to Mayan?
Yom Huledet Hamayani, we love
She doesn't
you.
like Pesach cake.
Okay.
We love you.
Dad, any thoughts?
Any thoughts? Yom Huledet Shel Mayan. In the Chumash, it's Yom Huledet et Paro. That's what the pasuk says. And only the Zionists have taken the Hebrew language and made it Yom Huledet Le. Okay, finished.